Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at estimating square roots. So in grade 8, we approximated square roots to 2 decimal places with the help of a calculator. Today we will practice estimating square roots to 1 decimal place without the use of a calculator. So let's dive right in. Example 1. Estimate the following square roots to 1 decimal place, no calculator. So we got root 42. We know that this is going to be between root 36 and root 49, which is between 6 and 7. So we know root 42 is going to be 6 point something. So the distance between root 42 and root 36 is 6, like that, between 42 and 36. And between 49 and 42, the distance is 7. So you notice here that it's almost right in the middle. So root 42 is approximately 6.5. B, root 17. So we have root 16, root 17, root 25. Distance of 1 between 16 and 17. Distance of 8 between 17 and 25. So it's not much further than 16. So root 17 is approximately 4.1. C, root 49, root 54, root 64. 54 and 49 have a distance of 5. 64 and 54 have a distance of 10. So we notice that it's about 1/3, right? The whole thing is 15 and it's 5. So root 54 is approximately 7.3. Okay, so practice number 1. Estimate the following square roots to 1 decimal place without a calculator. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, we're back. So root 82 is pretty close to root 81. So root 82 is approximately 9.1. Root 99, this is very close to root 100. So it's approximately 9.9. 72, it's about halfway between 64 and 81. So root 72 is approximately 8.5. Root 8 is between root 4 and root 9. We notice that it's close to root 9, but it's only 1 out of 4. So instead of 2.9, we're going to say 2.8, like that. And then here we have root 29 to 25 and 36, 4 and 7. That's roughly a third, like that, or a quarter. And so, it's not a third. Yeah, a third or half in that area. So we're going to say 5.4 as our guess. If you got near that, 5.3, that's fine too. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.